Hello friends, welcome to our channel Educational Videos underscore Kids. Today we will learn about wild animals. Do you know what are wild animals? Animals that survive in its natural habitat without human intervention or domestication are called wild animals. So let's begin. Tiger. The tiger is a large cat and has powerful muscular body. Monkey. Monkeys are intelligent and playful. They can jump from one tree to another. Kangaroo. They are known for their powerful hops and have unique pouch to keep and feed their child. Zebra. Each zebra has unique black and white pattern. Lion. Lion belongs to a family of cats and it is called the king of jungle. Fox. They act as predators and eat rodents and small animals, which benefits agriculture and maintain ecosystem balance. Rhinoceros. They are known for their large size and distinctive horns. Giraffe. Giraffe is known for long necks and legs and is the tallest land animal. Deer. Deer are known for antlers and their speed. Bear. They have omnivorous diet and excellent sense of smell. Leopard. Leopard are strong, good climbers, swimmers, and fast runners. Hippopotamus. They maintain aquatic ecosystem by creating river channels and moving soil. Wolf. Wolves have a strong sense of smell and hearing, making them good predators. Hyena. Hyena are known for their unique vocalization, which is described as their laugh. Do you know any other wild animal name? Please mention in comments. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Educational Videos underscore Kids. Thank you.